Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today's an exciting video. I finally received my Rode microphone that I've been waiting in the mail for. So this video is going to be an unboxing and just going through the specs of this microphone and also testing it out on my camera. So if you're interested in watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and read the specs of the box. It is a 2-year warranty. There's no battery required. It's a compact size, and there is a suspension mount included, and I believe this is the suspension mount. Let's go ahead and open the box. So inside, let's see, what do we get? Okay, so we have the quick guide instructions. Looks like the plug to connect the camera to the mic, the suspension mount. Ooh, nice. The dead cat microphone, which is kind of fluffy, and then inside here, kind of hard to take out, we have the Rode mic. So let's go ahead and try to assemble this. Dead cat on suspension, and I noticed that it does move a lot, so I don't know, that could affect if I'm walking outside and I decide to vlog. That may affect the sound because it's gonna bounce on the camera. But on my M50 there's like a safe distance of space where I don't see this portion really hitting where the sound is, so I don't know, we'll test it out. Alright, taking it to the vlog. So yeah, I just have the microphone ready to attach to my Canon M50, so let's go ahead and put this on. Go ahead and screw this in. I guess it just sits like that. Oh, you screw it down, got it. Okay, make sure I'm doing this in the right way. Alright, so cool. Problem solved. So now I'm going to take the cord and insert it into my camera. So the only thing with the M50 is, again, you have, all these nice features, but when it's time to record, if I wanted to vlog, I'm going to run in having my screen, always having the mic cord in front of the video screen, so that's always interesting. So yeah, I plugged that in like so, and now we are ready to film with the new audio. Alright, so I just want to do a quick test. Right now I am speaking freely using my camera's audio. And I just wanted to do a testing, so testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, and doing the same test right now. I have now plugged in my Rode microphone, and I'm just doing a test to see how it sounds with it plugged into my camera. So testing 1, 2, 3. So I just came back from being outside, and like I said, I just wanted to do a quick test to see how the microphone sounds with it connected to my camera versus the in audio on the camera. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel for when I upload new videos. And again, thank you for watching my unboxing, and hope you have a great day. Bye.